So, sinort ko lang muna yung mga lemon natin. And, ito yung aming workshop area. So, usually, dito yung mga packaging. So, here is our fruit tea boxes. Ito yung mga, may laman itong 30 days. Ito yung 7 days. And, 15 days. So, 7 days good for trial. 15 day kapag, usually ito yung for gift, pero yung dito sa amin, mabili talaga is yung 30 days. And then, ito yung mga style na, the fresh lemon, a while ago, diba? Nakita nyo yung lemon? Wait, I'm gonna show you this one is the fresh, ito yung dehydrated. Ito yung dehydrated lemon natin. Oh, diba? Look at the magic. Ayan. So, pwede siyang ito, of course, pag marami kayong lemon produce, pwede na yung, fresh na inumin, diba? Squeeze mo lang siya sa yung mga drinks. And it's very healthy with honey. Pero, tayo, we need to, ang tawag doon, mag-create tayo ng sustainable. Diba? Yung mga produce natin, maraming sobra. So, maraming nami-waste. So, one way to do it is yung other, they make it as a jam. They make it as a cake, actually. Lemon bars. Very sikat dito yun sa amin. Lemon bars, lemon cake, lemon pie in Sagada. And then, yung iba is they made it as a jam. Yung parang sa Korean tea na honey lemon tea nila na is like a marmalade. Yan. Sa atin naman, simpleng process lang. We use the dehydrating process or the drying process. Yan. And then, you can drink this as is. Pero kami kasi, blend namin siya with other fruits. Kasi sweet tooth tayo. So, nilalagyan natin siya ng stevia, ganon. Or mint, or other leaves or flowers that will make it a detox blend. Or a healthy, nutritious drink. Yan. So, guys, this is from fresh to dehydrated. Okay. Yan. So, our space is just a small space. And because it's home-based pa, yeah, we are thinking naman na maybe in the future, in God's will, I hope that, syempre, gusto rin natin mag-expand, di ba? Pero as of now, we are doing this business actually, we started it since 2021. So, nung 2021, hobby lang siya. And then, no, friends lang yung bumibili, ganon. Or yung iba kasi parang, ano yan, they are still hesitant to buy. Pero, for a year or two, ayan, meron nang nag-ask for reseller prices, ganon. Especially dun sa detox. Mas naging in demand siya nung nauso yung detox, yung mga nagpapapayat. Pero hindi yun yung team namin. It's like, we wanted with our tagline na, tawag doon, every sip a connection to hope. So we wanted to bring you a gift of health via this one. We wanted, gusto kasi namin siya parang may pasalubong from home. Ayun, matikman mo yung our fruities from the mountain. And guys, so yes, here is ito yung pinaka main table namin for everything. Packaging from usually na-schedule na kasi rin, pero schedule yung ginagawa namin for slicing, gano'n. Yan, nilalagay namin mga finished product or sa aming konting yan. And then, here is our main production area. Medyo messy siya, guys. Sorry. Ayan. So, here are the sample. Meron pa namang yan. Konti na lang yung ating mga dried fruits. Yan. So, we have a sealer here. And then, our dehydrator. Ayan. Sa ngayon, we are restocking. We need to restock our fruit tea kasi naubos Meron naman iba, kaya lang hindi kompleto yung blend. Because we maintain like a 7 flavor to fit in a 1 box. Yun yung aming parang, di ba yung 7-day box namin or in a pouch. And, yan, dapat may 7 flavors kami. So far naman, na-maintain namin for 4 years. At least we have 7. Even if the prices go up and down, na-maintain namin yung 7 flavors. And nadadagdagan na lang siya kapag yung mga in-season na fruit is all around. Yan. So, as of now, we have 10 flavors of fruit teas. So, I'll show you the finished product. Ito yung natira. Kasi may yung natira. So, ito yung 100-day box namin. Pang reseller na to. 100 sachet. May natira pa dito. There are no stickers yet. Yan. So, we blend it like this. Have this. Yeah. So, anyway, they are all in 10 flavors. They are in vacuum sachet para ma-secured siya. I tried other pouches, pero ito yung very safe. Tumatagal yung kanyang quality. So, since wala tayong ina-add na preservative, ayun. It's good. Maganda yung color niya until 3 months. Pero as time goes on, syempre, yung color ng lemon natin nagda-darken. And that's normal. Basta, hindi siya nabuksan, hindi siya na-expose sa air like that. Hindi siya nag-mold. Ganyan. Basta, tightly sealed siya. Up to 6 years to 1 year is good. So far, lahat ng mga na-dry namin, it could last a year or more. Pero syempre, for purposes of safety naman, we recommend that 3 to 6 months, dapat na-consume na siya. And then, we always blend or dry freshly batches of fruit teas. Hindi namin kaya ding mag-stock kasi konti lang yung aming dehydrator. So, seasonal fruits talaga yung focus namin. Yan. So, this is our small home-based business. It's called Montañosa Gifts. Yeah, that's our brand name. So, Montañosa Gifts Fruit Teas. Montañosa, meaning it's from the mountain. Montañosa, yeah, it's the term here in our place, because we are from the mountain province. So, we wanted you to gift the gift of health from the mountain. And the sip is a connection to your home. From my home to yours. From yung farm to cup. Mga ganon na concept. Ayan, guys. So, thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. And this is a bit or the behind the scene of our production area. And bye! Till next time!